This is the white error screen when we try to upgrade Ubuntu and something goes wrong. In this video I will show you how we will deal with it.
It all started when I wanted to upgrade Ubuntu version 20.04 LTS to 22.04 LTS. The upgrade process takes some time. It was going normally until suddenly I had a power outage in my area. Unfortunately, my old battery couldn't keep the machine on and soon the laptop died. When after some time I came back to see the progress of the upgrade, all I saw was a blank screen. I pressed the power button to reboot and what I saw was a white screen. I moved the mouse but it didn't work. I pressed keys on the keyboard, they don't work. I connected a USB disk but no USB port works. From the symptoms I assumed that the hard disk is working but the rest machine is frozen.
So if I take the hard drive from the laptop, connect it to a PC, install an operating system, reconnect it back to the laptop, I will be able to make it work.
Always disconnect the battery and power cable first when opening a laptop. I remove the hard drive from the laptop. I connect the disk to the PC. The operating system that will do the job is a Windows 7 DVD.
You can do the same with a Windows 7 USB installation disk.
I enter into the OS of PC and set it to boot from DVD. The installation proceeds normally.
During installation I will remove the damaged partitions of the disk and install Windows in their place.
When the installation is finished, remove the hard drive from the PC. I connect the disk to the laptop. Screw the main access panel. Connect the battery to the body of your laptop.